Hey, what's up guys, it's another day, another tech, and this is Samsung's Soundbar HW-KM36. First, there's a 130-watt soundbar, then there's the wireless subwoofer. There are two adapters because the soundbar and the subwoofer are powered separately. There's also a remote control, an optical cable, and a wall mount. On the backside of the soundbar, there's a digital audio in, a micro USB port, and an auxiliary jack. You can connect this to a TV or an external device. I chose to connect it to my phone and play music. The stereo speakers in the soundbar is covered with fabric, while on the back it is just plastic. When laying the soundbar, it goes with the Samsung logo facing up. So when I was playing music, the two stereo speakers are located in the front, not on the top under the Samsung symbol. The subwoofer is made out of plastic. It has this matte black grainy look. It looks very nice. It's simple and I like it. This has 2.1 channel surround sound. It utilizes 3D Surround Plus, a feature that makes 3D movies even more incredible. In addition to that, you can use Samsung's audio remote app from your phone and control your home theater. The KM36 has Bluetooth capability and Dolby Digital 2 channel for advanced audio processing. They have a good weight to it, they don't feel cheap. The soundbar weighs 3.3 pounds and the subwoofer weighs 6.4 pounds. For $120, this sounds much better than I had anticipated. This is a sound test at 50% volume. Now let's do a sound test at 100% volume. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Throughout all the levels of the volume, music sounded clear and balanced. I didn't hear any distortion. And the bass, yeah, you'll definitely know it's there. My floor was vibrating. Well, that is it. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.